Hi, welcome aboard. It's Justin Costello, MarineMax, Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a 2019 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. Stepping aboard. This boat has twin Mercury Verado 350 horsepower motors in white with joystick piloting. Walking through, starboard side, nice entryway. As you can see right here, we have a freshwater shower. In-floor fish wells on port and starboard. And this boat is great. It has a ton of seating, nice high backrest. This seat folds down flush right into the gunnels, give you some nice deck space with some bolsters on the side. Wrapping around, we look forward. We got a table base that goes in there. And innovating, award-winning seat designs that are on hydraulic assist, so we can put this into a multitude of seating configurations. Helm seat spins around. Here's our vented captain's chair with two fold-down armrests. Little kitchen prep area, freshwater sink, 12-volt refrigerator, tackle drawer storage, live well, and this boat is also equipped with a Kenya cooktop grill. This will run off of shore power or an inverter, joystick piloting, large 16-inch Raymarine Axiom VHF radio. Boat's equipped, ready to go with electronics. Little cabin berth here on the port side. And then looking on the starboard side right across is the head with the vacuum flush toilet, freshwater sink and shower. And then a large bow area, flush deck, freshwater shower, and then this also is equipped with a shade that slings out on the front. Thanks for watching this video of a 2019 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. My name's Justin Costello with MarineMax, Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070.